You spent 12 years in school. They taught you history. They taught you algebra. They taught you how to diagram a sentence that you have never used once in your adult life. But here is what they never taught you: how money actually works, how wealth is actually built, how the people at the top actually think. Not because they forgot, not because it was too complicated, because a person who understands how money really works is a person who is very hard to control. So they kept it from you. And most people spend their entire lives paying for that missing education. But not you, not after today. Because in the next 8 minutes, I am going to give you the education they never gave you. The mindset that separates people who build wealth from people who just work for it their entire lives. Part 1. The School Trap. Here is what school actually taught you. Step 1. Study hard. Step 2. Get good grades. Step 3. Go to college. Step 4. Get a stable job. Step 5. Work for 40 years. Step 6. Retire and enjoy what is left. This is the script. And billions of people follow it without ever questioning it. But here is the problem with the script. Every single step of it is designed to make you a good employee, not a wealthy person. A good employee trades time for money. A wealthy person makes money work for them. A good employee thinks about this month's salary. A wealthy person thinks about this decade's assets. A good employee asks, how do I get a raise? A wealthy person asks, how do I build something that pays me? Whether I show up or not? These are not the same question. They lead to completely different lives. And school only ever taught you to ask the first one. Part 2. Shift one time versus assets. The first thing millionaires understand that most people never do. Your time is finite. Your assets are not. When you trade time for money, you have a ceiling. 24 hours in a day. One body. One brain. Maximum output is limited by the number of hours you can work. That ceiling is why most people never escape the paycheck cycle. Always 1 month away from financial stress, no matter how hard they work. But when you build assets, the ceiling disappears. An asset is anything that makes you money while you are sleeping. A business, a rental property, content, investments, intellectual property. You build it once, you maintain it, and it pays you. Again, and again, and again. Millionaire mindset shift number 1. Stop asking how to earn more money. Start asking how to build more assets. Because earned income builds a living. Asset income builds a life. Part 3. Shift 2. Scarcity versus abundance. Here is the second thing school never taught you. How you think about money determines how much of it you will ever have. Most people grew up with a scarcity mindset. Money is hard to get. Rich people are lucky or dishonest. There is never enough. Wanting more is greedy. Playing it safe is smart. These beliefs feel like common sense, but they are prison walls. Every time you think, I could never afford that, your brain stops looking for ways to afford it. Every time you think, rich people are just lucky, your brain stops looking for the moves that create wealth. The abundance mindset says, there is enough for everyone. Wealth is created, not found. Every problem is an opportunity in disguise. Money is a tool, and I am learning to use it. Same world, same opportunities, completely different results. Because the mind finds what the mind believes is possible. Part 4. Shift 3. Spending versus investing. Here is the third shift, the one that hurts because it is so simple. Poor people spend first and save what is left. Rich people invest first and spend what is left. Read that again. Poor people spend first. Rich people invest first. That one difference in the order of one decision, compounded over a lifetime, creates completely different financial realities. Every time you get paid, before you pay a single bill, before you buy a single thing, you pay yourself first. 10%, 20%, whatever you can, into an investment account, into an asset, into your future self. Not what is left over, first. Because what comes first gets protected. What comes last gets spent. A person earning $40,000 a year who invests first will retire wealthier than a person earning $100,000 who spends first. The math is not complicated. The behavior is. Part 5. Shift 4. Problems versus opportunities. Here is the fourth mindset shift. The one that explains why some people make money in any economy, while others struggle in every economy. Average thinkers see problems. Millionaire thinkers see opportunities. Every single time when the economy crashes, average thinkers panic and protect. Millionaire thinkers ask, what is cheap right now that will not always be cheap? When an industry gets disrupted, average thinkers mourn the old way. Millionaire thinkers ask, what new problem just got created that I can solve? When someone complains about a daily frustration, average thinkers nod and move on. Millionaire thinkers ask, is there a business here? Wealth is created by solving problems. The bigger the problem you solve, the more wealth you create. Your next income source is hiding inside someone's frustration, including yours. Start looking at problems like a millionaire looks at them, not as obstacles, as opportunities waiting to be claimed. Part 6. Shift 5. Lone Wolf versus Network. The final mindset shift, and the one most people resist the hardest. Millionaires do not build alone. Your network is your net worth. This is not a motivational poster. This is economic fact. The opportunities you get in life come through people. Not algorithms. Not luck. People. The right mentor cuts your learning curve in half. The right partner multiplies your output. The right community keeps you accountable when discipline gets hard. Average thinkers protect their ideas. Millionaire thinkers share them and find people who can make them bigger. Average thinkers compete with everyone. Millionaire thinkers collaborate with the right ones. Average thinkers wait to be discovered. Millionaire thinkers build relationships before they need them. Start investing in people the same way you invest in assets. Because in the end, every major opportunity in your life will come through a person. And the size of your network determines the size of your opportunities. School taught you to be a good employee. Nothing wrong with that. But it was never the whole picture. The whole picture includes 5 things they never told you. Build assets, not just income. Think abundance, not scarcity. Invest first, spend what remains. See problems as opportunities. Build a network, not just a resume. These are not secrets. They are not complicated. They are simply the things nobody bothered to teach you. Until now. Pick one, just one, and go. Because financial freedom is not a destination. It is a decision, made once, then made again, every single day. If this opened your eyes, subscribe. We post videos like this every single week. Like this, if school never taught you this. And comment mindset below if you are starting to think differently today. See you in the next one.